Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the new gear in Grow a Garden. So go to Ghosty Gadgets and there's going to be a Halloween radar. It costs 5 candy corn and it basically detects your spooky mutated plants. So I'm just going to type in radar and I'm just going to use it. Oh, I actually have a lot here. But I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, like, it's blueberries and strawberries. Oh, it's Max backpack as well. But that's how you can use that new gear. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.